Today, guys, I will be sharing with you how I did this deliciousness. I hope you love to try this with your family, friends, and loved ones. This was so delicious. It came out so tasty. I hope you try this out. Look at that. Guys, this was so delicious. You want to give it a try. You will love it. Here is my spaghetti. You can use any type of your choice spaghetti. I'm going to get it into the pot. So to my pot, I have boiling water. I'm going to go ahead and add my spaghetti into the boiling water. To your boiling water like so. Add some oil. This is what I like to do because I want my spaghetti separated. I'll add some salt to make sure it has a good taste. And I'll go in with Maggi seasoning, yes. This way, you'll be sure to have a beautiful taste out of your spaghetti. You just leave it for 5 minutes and then you sieve it out. You do this just to make sure you separate your spaghetti so that it doesn't glue together. So just toss it with this kind of spatula if you have one. If not, just use the regular. If you don't have this kind of spoon, just go ahead and use a regular spoon. Just make sure you toss it until it is separated in the pot. Okay? Cover it up and let it cook for 5 minutes and then we'll come back to sieve it out. 5 minutes later, our spaghetti is nicely cooked. As you can see, this is how you know that your spaghetti is cooked. This is how it has to look like. So I'm going to drain it out and rinse it down. Next, in the same pot, I'm going to add some groundnut oil. I'm using soy oil. You can use any oil of your choice. My rosemary. You can choose to add rosemary or you can choose to add basil or whatever aromatic of your choice. I like rosemary a lot because it's very healthy and it gives me a very delicious aroma. And yeah, guys, this is my rosemary from my garden right at my backyard. Yeah, you can go ahead and plant yours. So next is my onion. This is not a recipe that wastes your time. Stir, stir, stir. Just a quick stir. Let it, simmer for just a minute. So guys, I have my thyme here. I have my curry. I have black pepper. I have cumin. I have ginger. I have some white pepper. I have some paprika. And I have some garlic powder. I have some bay leaf right here. So you can go ahead and add all of this. Make it flavorful as much as you can. Okay. You want it very flavorful. You want the kids to enjoy it. You just want to let them enjoy this delicious spaghetti recipe. I'm going to add my paste. Mix it in. When I'm making spaghetti, I want to make it to to their taste. Allow it to cook down that ugly taste of tin tomato paste, okay? To add some salt to my tomato paste. Next, I'm going to be adding is all of my blends. I have green peppers, as you can see. I have turmeric, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have tomato, and I have some red bell peppers and some chilies. Okay, add whatever vegetables of your choice into your meal and make it delicious for your family. I'm going to allow my stew to cook for at least 5 minutes and make sure it is nice and tasty before I add my spaghetti. So guys, here is our stew base for our spaghetti jollof or jollof spaghetti. See how nice. Guys, I haven't added any Maggi seasoning yet. All I have added is salt. I'm going to taste now and see if I have to add Maggi seasoning. Guys, I need to add some Maggi seasoning, which I'm going to add some of this. Now you can go in with your chicken broth. I'm going to add in my chicken broth. I want my spaghetti juicy. I want that spaghetti very juicy and very, very super delicious. Stir this in and allow it to come to a boil for just 2 minutes. Now our spaghetti can go in. It is time to add our spaghetti in. Add your spaghetti like so. And you see what I'm doing? I just want to show you. Once you go through your spaghetti this way, guys, trust me, you will love it. My children love spaghetti so very much, and I like to make it delicious. It is a simple and quick recipe for children. Our church children here, they love it so much when I make it. Even when it's spicy, I can imagine. I wonder how white people will eat my spaghetti even when it is hot and spicy. My church family still love my spaghetti. Like if I say I'm making anything for the church, they will first say, oh, make us spaghetti. Make us spaghetti. And that's your homemade sauce. Yes, you want to make sure it is very juicy. You stir everything in. Make sure your spaghetti is juicy. Make sure you have enough cream, which is the tomato base, peppers, and garlic and ginger, green peppers, and green chilies, whatever you like to have as vegetable in your spaghetti. Go ahead and get it done for your friends and loved ones. And trust me, guys, they will love it. This is just our lunch, and I promise you this is not going to last till tomorrow. This is to tell you how much they love spaghetti. I'm going to go in with some butter. Yeah, this is just to make sure it is fluffy and it is separated. Try this on your jollof rice. I'm giving you all the tips. When you add butter in your rice recipe, in your spaghetti recipe, to help it to stand out, and you will really love it. Can you see how delicious? See how juicy? Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is how the girls love it. The girls love spaghetti. My husband loves spaghetti, and this is a quick recipe for me to go anytime I don't have food in the house. I just quickly make this for lunch. You can use spaghetti for dinner, you can use it for lunch, depending on your choice. So look at that. This is our spaghetti recipe. You want to try it, I'm sure you will love it. Look at how delicious, look at how juicy. Try this, I'm sure your family will love it. Your children will love it. This is just perfect for lunch. We are going to be eating this. The way I went about it, please leave me your comments in the comment section. Let me know the things you would like me to do so you can learn from this kitchen. So we are going to be enjoying this delicious spaghetti recipe with some chicken. I'll let it grate some more, guys, and then we'll start eating. So guys, this is how we serve this food. See how beautiful and delicious. Let's eat, guys. Come on. Guys, this is me enjoying this food. This food is so delicious, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, the chicken is so good. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. School aunties are back, oh. They want to dive into it. Go and take your own, Ella. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm. Mmm. Guys. Look out for mukbang videos. Very, very soon. Tell me what food you want me to cook and mukbang with. Baby, have a blessed day. Guys, this is so good. You guys have been dealing with this food, man. Guys. Guys, I enjoyed my life now. The chicken is so good. So I like my chicken, very soft and tender. Very delicious. This chicken was marinated since yesterday. Look out for my mukbang video. Thank you so much. Thank you all, Gucci's team. Thank you, my new subscribers. Stay tuned for more recipes. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Ciao.